Developing right now, a major blow to Arizona's Attorney General. An Arizona judge has once again put all future death row executions on hold. They have serious concerns about the lethal injection drugs the state would use to put inmates to death. This is a story ABC 15's Sonu Wasu has been following closely. And tonight she explains what this means for inmates and the state.
The Attorney General's office calls it justice once again delayed for grieving families who've been waiting for decades.
The ultimate crimes deserve the ultimate punishments.
But those against the death penalty argue there's too much secrecy and controversy surrounding the lethal injection drugs used to execute Arizona inmates, especially after what happened in 2014, during what some call the botched execution of killer Joseph Wood when the drugs failed, causing Wood to gasp and convulse for almost 2 hours before he died.
This is a question of transparency and accountability.
Assistant Federal Public Defender Dale Beige tells us now his client's life is on the line. If the state got its way, Dixon would be slated to die in October. But questions surrounding the lethal injection drugs have once again forced a Supreme Court judge to halt these executions after learning the shelf life of the drugs is not the 90 days originally claimed by the state.
In fact, the drug was only good for 45 days and would have expired by the time the execution dates would take place.
The judge has asked the state to test the drugs to see how effective they are beyond their shelf life before proceeding with any executions. We have reached out to the Attorney General's office for a comment. We will let you know as soon as we hear back from them. Sonu Wasu, ABC 15, Arizona.
And as Sonu mentioned, 2014 was the last time an inmate was executed in Arizona. We've seen executions come to a halt under President Biden. Earlier this month, he ordered a review of all federal death penalty cases. More than a dozen people were executed under former President Trump, the first such executions in 17 years.